So 3 years ago guys, I left my professional career as a licensed drone pilot. Yes, tamang narinig nyo. I used to fly for ABS-CBN and GMA teleseries ng mga paborito nyo way back before. For example, ang Provinciano, and even guys, I flew for concerts and even mga malalaking events. Fast forward today guys, we are now a content creator, kuno no? But when DJI released the Mavic 4 Pro, I knew it guys, kailangan ko masubukan tong drone na to. After flying it in Batangas guys, and even in the city, and even sending this specific drone guys with my friend to Switzerland, pag-usapan natin guys, malalaman natin kung gaano ba talaga kaganda or kapangit si DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James 3.0. And here's the biggest question guys na sasagutin natin sa video na to. Is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro the best pro consumer drone right now? Pag-usapan natin, let's go! So pag-usapan muna natin guys yung flight experience ko guys on the Mavic 4 Pro. So yung first ever flight guys of me experiencing this drone was in Batangas when I was diving last week. So pag-usapan muna natin guys yung remote niya mismo. So comparing to my old Mavic 2 Pro, which is yung drone na last kong ginamit way back 2, 3 years, 4 years ago, where I had to buy a separate crystal sky monitor and mount. This new remote is more compact, lightweight, very comfortable guys in the hand, and has no more disconnection issues. In terms of flight stability naman, pag-usapan naman natin the drone itself. What shocked me the most, it's literally way more stable than ever. And even in strong winds guys, kahit gaano kalakas yung hangin, the drone barely actually moves. This is maybe because of 2 generations after the Mavic 2 Pro experience of mine. And that difference is actually huge guys. The moment na pinalipad ko siya, napansin ko talaga siya. So pag-usapan naman natin yung camera guys, no? Now you don't just get one camera. Compared to my Mavic 2 Pro guys before na 1 camera lang, here on the Mavic 4 Pro guys, you get 3 crazy powerful cameras that is capable of recording up to 4K 60 to 120 frames per second in 10-bit D-Log-M with ProRes 422 encoding exclusive for the creator combo, and up to 6K 60 frames per second in HDR mode. It even has an f2.0 to f11 adjustable aperture, literally perfect for any shooting need na kailangan natin. Portrait mode is also a very game changer. So sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, itong camera na to guys, umiikot po siya. Thanks to the new Infinity Gimbal feature na tinatawag po ni DJI, you can rotate the camera vertical, which is perfect for shooting like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts using the full sensor resolution. You can even do a rotating clips, giving you a fresh, medyo lang nakakahilong perspective. Photography naman, no? So this is crazy. A 100 megapixel Hasselblad sensor camera. Remember guys, sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa Hasselblad is a legendary brand guys in terms of cameras na nagkakahalaga worth millions of pesos in pro setups guys, kasi it can even go up to 400 megapixels. And now, we have that tech in a drone that's actually even affordable for creators katulad natin. That detail is insane. You can even crop in and still keep the sharpness of the photo. So other kwento ko naman guys, actually when I was flying in Batangas, it actually rained, no? So I couldn't shoot much more scenery, but I sent this drone guys with my friend kasi sabi daw niya pupunta daw siya ng Switzerland. Sabi ko, bro, baka pwedeng paliparin mo naman yung drone natin para makakuha tayo ng mas maraming magandang footage. And guys, eto na siya. The footage was stunning. The skies, the waters, the landscape, all super clear and very crispy at the same time vibrant. And even in the city guys, nung pinalipad ko naman tong Mavic 4 Pro here in Pasay City, which is very noisy, sobrang daming mga interference, no remote signal interruptions. It even warns me if there's a nearby plane na for a safer flying experience guys. Literally, nakikita ko dun sa map na merong eroplanong dumadaan, so alam ko kung paano ko siya iiwasan. I was also able to capture footage that is more than 10 kilometers away from my position, and the details of both video and photo literally blew me away. So now, let's dive deep even more sa spec sheet because this is actually where the Mavic 4 Pro shines, no? So again, number 1 is a triple camera system, no? So again, it features a 1-inch Hasselblad sensor with 100 megapixel still capability. It also features a medium telephoto lens, a long telephoto lens. All 3 lenses can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS in D-Log-M. Next is, of course, ito sa pinaka-importante, stability and safety guys ng Mavic 4 Pro. Stronger wind resistance compared to the Mavic 3 Pro. It has upgraded omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Sa mga beginners, malaking tulong to. It has better GPS lock and precision hover, and even a 30 kilometer plus range, guys, which is really crazy kasi sa mga experience ko in the past, up to 10 kilometers lang po yung range, guys, ng mga drone na ginagamit namin. But having 30 kilometers of range, guys, is just unbeatable, guys, in a lot of ways. Next is portrait shooting, no? It has a native vertical orientation. Perfect again for shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Susunod is battery life, guys. Ito crazy. Last ko mga experience sa mga drone dati, 20 to 30 minutes lang yung battery life. Now, it has 50 plus minutes of flight time, which is way longer again. Like, sobra-sobra na yun, guys. Impossible na hindi mo makuha yung shots na kailangan mo even beginners ka. Susunod is, again, video features. It has 10-bit D-Log M4 cinematic grading. It includes high dynamic range for sunset and cityscapes with shadow and highlight detail, with even hyperlapse and master shots, guys. Everything is just perfect in this drone. Guys, we know in drones, the DJI still wins with its capabilities, spec sheets, reliability, and the whole ecosystem, and of course, the Hasselblad integration. So versus the Mavic 3 Pro, the Mavic 4 Pro feels like a leap, no? So it's more stable, better cameras, and pinaka-importante, guys, sa mga beginners, it's much more easier gamitin. So as a former broadcast drone pilot, guys, from ABS and GMA, I can say this is the closest thing to the DJI Inspire 2 quality, no? But in a foldable, portable setup. So for creators like us, this is actually perfect kasi mas magagamit natin ito na madali for travel vlogs, cinematic biro na kailangan na mabilisan, and even kung talagang freelancer ka, you can even use this for commercial products, all without carrying massive rigs, no? It has, again, Hasselblad level stills, pro video tools in a drone this compact that is actually unbeatable value. So the biggest questions, guys, na sasagutin natin ng solid, guys, sa video na to. So, is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro sulit or worth it? For me, it's an absolute yes. It fixes the biggest issues, guys, na na-experience, guys, before. Katulad ko, for example, yung mga bulky remote, connection drops, weaker stability, and it brings the feature we've always wanted. Triple camera system, vertical shooting, 100 megapixel Hasselblad resolution, and pro-grade video in a very compact, small package. This is the drone that connects my past in TV production and with my present as a content creator. So that's my review of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. No? If in case you are a drone enthusiast or a creator or just someone na nagsisimula pa lang, this might be or this could be the best flying camera that you will literally buy today. No? So it's not just the best, no, but also pinaka-importante, most reliable and stable in my experience. And by the way, if you're looking for a discounted price on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, I've attached a direct discount link in the description below, so thank me later. And I also linked the accessories I personally use and I personally bought that I think is necessary for this drone, so baka kailanganin mo rin. I guarantee it's also the best price in the market. And if case may tanong kayo, guys, about this drone, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more real-world tech reviews. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Squid James, and now James 2.0. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.